Best scooters under 1 lakhs in India. The TVS Jupiter is one of the most popular scooters in India, manufactured by TVS Motor Company. Launched in 2013, it has earned a reputation for its fuel efficiency, comfort, and reliability, making it a favorite among urban commuters. It is powered by a 110 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, delivering a balanced performance with good fuel efficiency and low emissions. The scooter offers smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride, ideal for city traffic. The Jupiter is known for its impressive mileage, typically offering around 50 to 60 kmpl, depending on road conditions and riding habits. Equipped with telescopic front suspension and gas-filled rear suspension, it ensures a smoother ride even on rough roads. It has a large and spacious seat, comfortable for both rider and pillion, and a flat floorboard for better leg space. Features like external fuel fill, pass-by switch, and ample storage space, under seat and in front, make it highly convenient for daily use. It comes with Sync Braking System, SBS, for better braking control and stability. LED headlights and DRLs provide better visibility during night riding. TVS offers different variants of the Jupiter, including the Jupiter ZX and Jupiter Classic, which come with additional features like a digital analog speedometer, disc brakes, and iTouch Start for silent starting. The scooter is available in a range of colors and designs. The TVS Jupiter is priced competitively in the Indian market, with the base model starting around 75,000 Indian rupees, ex-showroom, making it an affordable yet feature-rich option. In overall, the scooter gained 4.7 rating from the people. The Jupiter is often compared to other scooters in its class, such as Honda Activa and Suzuki Access, and stands out for its combination of features, performance, and value for money.